Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. Okay, let's recap. Got in the trade at 9:46. The target just hit 10:01. So I was in this trade for 15 minutes. I'm gonna explain the reason why I went bullish. So the market opened here. It had this is Friday, this big wedge flag here, whatever you want to call it. The red line is the high of Friday. So since I thought I was gonna go bearish because it broke this open here inside this wedge, broke, but was a false breakout, and then broke bullish, breaking also the high, but never retest the high. It just broke it and put this pattern here. It has this flag here, bullish, but since it was extended, I was bullish, but I needed to come and retest. Since it broke the high, I was waiting to come and retest it and give me a bullish pattern. I waited for this setup an hour and 50 minutes patiently, and then finally gave me this wedge channel here, touch it and retest the high, rejecting it, and I enter when this bottoming tail close, breaking the pattern. My target was here, my stop was down here. That was the trade for today. The trade worked, but what mattered most is that the process worked. I knew my entry, I knew my stop, and I accept the outcome before I click the button. Winning days don't change the plan. They just confirm discipline. Same rules, same approach, next session. And always remember, process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.